You're touching the dog. That is a cute dog, I will tell you right now.
All right. Bitch!
That is right. That is absolutely right. That is correct. All right. Guillermo, bringing another animal in. It's a little lower, a little bit lower.
Oh, there it is.
There you go. Yeah.
Hey. Bitch!
That is absolutely right.
Oh, man.
2 for 2 so far. Another little dog.
This is a bitch!
That is right. And one more. This is unbelievable. One more dog.
This one's got balls, bitch!
That is absolutely right.
Balls, bitch!
That is the most incredible thing I've ever seen. Take a bow. Take over. Look at that.